Hello lovely students, how are you all? This is Rajiv Minda, Faculty Mathematics, Prince Academy Seeker. Dear students, we have completed the chapter Polynomials by RBSC book. Now it's time to start a new chapter. Actually students, I discussed with many students which chapter should be new chapter we should start so that we can catch the attention of maximum students, because many students are even not submitting their assignment regularly. So after the conclusion, after the discussion, it was concluded that we are going to start trigonometry. See students, trigonometry is going to be our new chapter. Trigonometry. Trigonometry is going to be our new chapter. You know student what is trigonometry? I think this is the chapter first time introduced in 10th class now. Do not worry, from the very root level we are going to start, and definitely within this lecture you will all be able to understand the trigonometric basics. Okay? See students, what is trigonometry? What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the combination of three words: tri plus gono plus metry. Tri stands for three, gono stands for sides, and metry stands for measurement, which stands for measurement. Okay? Done? Three sides and measurement. What does it mean? It means trigonometry is the branch of mathematics. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the measurements related to the triangles. That deals with the, okay, got my point? Deals with the measurements related to the triangles. Okay, now see students, first of all I would like to discuss some contribution of Indians in the trigonometry. See students, you all have listened about Aryabhat, yes or no? Okay, now see, he was a very famous mathematician and he brought a revolution in the field of mathematics, and he raised the level of Indians in the eyes of the world also. See student, he was trying to find a formula, because of using that he can find the length of chord. See student, listen to me carefully. This is just a story. For 3 minutes I am telling you a story. See, you know what is the chord of a circle? Yes or no? If this is a circle with center O, then AB is the chord, yes or no? AB is the chord. Okay? And Mr. Aryabhat was trying to find out the formula or a technique or a trick, using that he can find the length of chord. Okay? Then with the instruments in his hand like scale, pen, paper, and he started to measure the circle, radius, and many more, measure the chord to relate, to establish a relation that can help him to find out the length of chord. In that case, he drew a perpendicular to the chord. In that trial, he was trying. Okay? In that trial, he drew a perpendicular to the chord. Okay? What he observed, a magical observation was observed, beta. The chord was bisected. What happened? Listen to me carefully. When this is a theorem in 9th class also. When a perpendicularly drawn from the center to the chord, it bisects the chord. It bisects the chord. It means AM is equal to MB. It means AM is equal to MB. Okay, students? Done? And then, what he decided? He decided to join OA, and he got a radius. Then what happened? He again uses his instruments. हिज वेपन्स, अपने हथियार लेके स्टार्ट, इसको एंगल बनाया, इसको एंगल बनाया, ये तो 90 है. He started to again discover or invent something. But suddenly it was a story that I have heard by my teacher. I was made to listen by my teacher, but I do not know fact of this. But reality is, some reality is behind this. And what happened, students? He used this angle, he measured this angle, and using that he started to find out this. He measured this angle, this is 90, and using the angle and the side direction he started to find out this AP. Okay, this AP, because AP is the midpoint, double of AP will be AP, AB, double of AP will be AB, and AP is found. Okay, but during that what happened? He started to write his thesis, but unfortunately he died. Unfortunately he died. Many mathematicians from all over the world were having an eagle's eye on the activity of Aryabhatta, because they know now, all the world know Indians are minded persons. Definitely they can have some jugaad. Okay, then see, students, what happened. Slowly, some Greeks, some Egyptians and many more started to study his thesis. See, students, what they found. They found sinus. They named this AP as sinus. Okay? Actually sinus means, see beta, त्रिज्या. ये जो है ना, ये कोड को हिंदी में बोलते हैं जीवा. Code is called as जीवा in Hindi. And Mr. आर्यभट्ट क्या कर रहे थे? हाफ ऑफ कोड फाइंड आउट कर रहे थे ना, इसके लिए वो स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे. एंड उसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं अर्धज्या. क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? अर्धज्या. जीवा is complete code, half code is ardhya. And see what is the meaning of sinus in Greek. Sinus means ardhya. Sinus means ardhya. But his concept his research was not completed, and the Greeks took the benefit of his death and gave this ardhya name in his language, in their language. Okay, sinus. The very first term regarding a right angle triangle, where a term can be calculated, a side can be calculated if one side is known and one acute angle is known, was obtained is sinus. And then slowly when the British came into the action, this sinus became sine. This sinus became sine. Got my point, students? Actually मैंने आपको जो ये स्टोरी बताई ना, बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है कि आर्यभट्ट जी ने स्टडी स्टार्ट की जीवा को निकालने के लिए, टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ कोड बेटा. एंड देन परपेंडिकुलर डा हुआ, हाफ को निकालना चाहा, एक्सपायर हो गए, अर्धज्या, फुली जीवा आधा अर्धज्या. इस अर्धज्या को स्टडी करके ग्रीक्स ने साइनस नाम दिया और फाइंड आउट कर लिया उसको. साइनस को फिर बाद में ब्रिटिशर्स ने रूल में आके इसको नाम दे दिया साइन. ओके, सो नाउ वंस यू टेक इट स्क्रीनशॉट, इट विल हेल्प यू टू रिमेमोराइज थिंग्स. डन. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी इजी दिस इज. देन व्हाट दे डिड. नाउ सी बेटा, what is the idea came from that sinus A, B, C? If you observe, there was a right angle triangle. One angle was known. Suppose this is theta. Okay. And one side was known. This side was known. Because if you see that figure, try to memorize this right angle triangle. This is R. This side was known and this side was found out. This side was find out. Okay. This was the first technique. Okay, first term came into account was sinus. Now see students, what happened later? Later on, mathematicians throughout the world started to work over that concept, and the magical terms came into account, and the world was totally fascinated about that formulas. See beta, what are those terms? ABC is a right triangle. In earlier classes, you have known that you have studied ABC is a right triangle. This is hypotenuse. This is base. This is perpendicular. In earlier classes, we have learned. I will make it little bit contradicted later. Just listen to me. Listen to my lecture carefully. Everything will be clear. Okay? Now see. Suppose students, the terms came into account are, if we put the sides of a right angle triangle one above other, like this, P by H, H by P, P by H, H by P, B by H, H by B, B by H, H by B, P by B, B by P, P by B, B by P. How many ratios can be formed? Yes or no? 6 ratios can be formed. When we use the sides of a right angle triangle, we can form 6 T ratios. Okay? And the first T ratio actually was sinus na, and it was given by P by H. It was given by P by H. See students, first T ratio came into account was sine. And sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Okay? Sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. These 6 T ratios, what are these called as? These are called as T ratios. Why T ratio? T stands for trigonometric. Trigonometric ratios. Okay? Trigonometric ratios. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And which ratio is formed by which sides, to make a ratio, which sides are used? This technique will help you to memorize it. First of all, see beta. This is known as P by H. Perpendicular by hypotenuse give you the first ratio side. B by H, P by B, B by P, H by B. Okay, now see students, how can we memorize this? Pandit ji will help you. Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. Sona chandi tole. See, this is first, this is second, this is third. 4th, 5th, 6th, and you can see the sequence also. See beta, only 3 T ratios name you have to memorize. Sine, tangent, secant. Sine, tangent, secant. And if you see, this T ratio is formed by adding co. The T ratios at even places are just formed by adding co before the T ratio's name. Sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Yes or no? Sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Okay? Now see beta. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले. Some students use this word last year. पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा. But don't talk about Pakistan. Leave it. You just memorize पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले. बात खत्म. ठीक है जी. नाउ से बेटा साइन कोसाइन, टेंजेंट कोटेंजेंट, सीकेंट कोसिकेंट, this sequence you have to learn. Please beta, what I am saying you, whatever the sequence is given in your book doesn't matter. I will not use that. You use just this sequence. I promise you, you will see a dramatic change in the learning, because this sequence will help you throughout study time. Whenever, in which class trigonometry is there, definitely this sequence will work. Okay, that's why I have taken this sequence from the very root level, and it will make a best foundation for your upcoming classes also. Okay, different sequence can make some little bit contradiction during the solutions of the sums. Once you take it screenshot, done beta, you have taken the screenshot. Now see, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले और साइन कोसाइन टेंजेंट कोटेंजेंट सीकेंट कोसिकेंट. See beta, once you all see, suppose this is a triangle ABC. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. Okay, now see beta, this is 90 degree. This angle is given. See students, what I want to take a page here. No page is there. Suppose, let me show you an example by using this hanky. Everyone please see. Suppose now you see, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, done. Now see, what I am giving the name to this. I am giving name to this. Let me write two, three things on this, then you will understand. See students, when I am picking this triangle like this is P perpendicular, this is B base. Okay, now see, suppose I send this as a measure, as a scale to someone, and I told him, brought the sugar which is equal to the base of weight of its side. Once you understand beta, suppose this is the triangle, sides are 3, 4, 5, and I asked to one of my students, please bring that sugar, चीनी लेके आओ. कितनी? जितना कि इसका साइन बनता है. साइन मतलब साइन टी रेशियो जितनी इसकी बनती है, वो बनती है P/H. अब हम छोटी क्लास सीख सकते हो, इसको P समझते आए हैं. हम क्या बोलेंगे, लो जी इतने केजी चीनी मंगाइए सर ने. we will say sir wants 3/5 kg chini. Okay, now see, now once again see, I was asking for this P/B, but the person by chance consider this like this, it will become P and it will become B now. Okay, now this will become P and this will become P. See students, what I am trying to make you understand, आपको ये बोला गया इस ABC ट्राइंगल में जितना इसका साइन बनता है, साइन कितना बनता है, इतना P/H, इतने केजी चीनी लेके आओ. आप चले गए मार्केट, आपने बोला अंकल जितना इसका साइन बनता है उतनी चीनी तोल दो. अंकल ने क्या किया, अंकल ने इसको ऐसे पकड़ लिया, अंकल ने इसको ऐसे पकड़ लिया. अब ये हो गया 3, ये हो गया 4, ये हो गया 5. ठीक है, अब अंकल ने इसके अकॉर्डिंग साइन पकड़ा तो क्या बोलेंगे, P/H 4/5 kg चीनी दे देंगे. ये सुनो, मेरे कहने का मतलब क्या है बेटा, यहां कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन का केस है। जब तक आपके पास जस्टिफिकेशन नहीं है, you don't have something that justifies the perpendicular or base, क्या कौन सा परपेंडिकुलर है और कौन सा बेस है, जब तक ये पता नहीं चलेगा तब तक आपको टी रेशोज को जस्टिफाई करने में प्रॉब्लम आएगी। यस और नो? दैट्स व्हाई, बट मैथमेटिशियंस आर वेरी स्मार्ट, ऑलवेज मैथमेटिशियंस आर द मोस्ट स्मार्ट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड। वो किसी ना किसी तरह से जुगाड़ कर ही लेते हैं। उन्होंने क्या किया, व्हाट दे डिड, सी, उन्होंने बोला भाई ये भी बच्चा भी अपनी जगह ठीक है, दुकानदार भी अपनी जगह ठीक है, लेकिन इस ठीक होने के अंदर जस्टिफाई कौन करेगा? बेस एंगल। कंफ्यूजन क्या है, आपने ऐसे पकड़ा तो कुछ और पी था, ऐसे पकड़ा तो कुछ और पी था। इट मींस परपेंडिकुलर और बेस, परपेंडिकुलर एंड बेस, इन दोनों में कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन होता है। ये तो फिक्स है, लॉन्गेस्ट साइड 90 के सामने वाली, ये तो फिक्स है। हाइपोटेन्यूज इज फिक्स्ड। प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है? प्रॉब्लम ये है कि बेस और परपेंडिकुलर में जस्टिफिकेशन नहीं हो पा रहा है। तो मैथमेटिशियन ने उसके लिए क्या हथियार ढूंढा? बेस एंगल। बोले भाई खाली साइन नाम की कोई चीज होती ही नहीं है, नो, खाली साइन नाम की कोई चीज होती ही नहीं है, उसके साथ बेस एंगल अप्लाई करना जरूरी है। व्हाट डज इट मीन? अगर मैं, अब देखना बेटा मैं क्या लिख रहा हूं, अगर मैं लिख रहा हूं ट्राइंगल ABC, और ये एंगल दे रहा हूं 3, 4, 5, तो अगर मैं कहूं ना कुछ साइन चाहिए, नो नो नो, साइन के साथ एंगल लगाओ। जैसे ये मान लो ये थीटा है, ये फाई है, अगर उसने साइन के साथ थीटा लगाया है, थीटा लगाया तो थीटा देखो दोनों एक्यूट एंगल्स हाइपोटेन्यूज से तो टच करेंगे ही करेंगे। एक्यूट एंगल्स की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, हाइपोटेन्यूज को टच करेंगे। लेकिन जो एंगल यहां लगा हुआ होगा वो जिस साइड को टच करेगा उसको आप बोलेंगे बेस। इस AB को हम क्या मान लेंगे? बेस। थीटा के केस में, थीटा के केस में ये बेस हो गया, क्लियर? तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? साइन की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? अब थीटा के सामने वाला परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा। ओके, 4/5, 4/5 आया समझ में? अगर उसने ये बोला होता साइन फाई, इफ इट इज आस्क्ड दैट व्हाट इज साइन फाई, साइन फाई के केस में क्या होगा बेटा? इसको आप बेस कंसीडर कर लेंगे, ये परपेंडिकुलर बन जाएगा इसके सामने वाला, आई बात समझ में? उस केस में साइन फाई हो जाएगा 3/5। क्लियर हुई मेरी बात? सी स्टूडेंट्स, it was the whole this hodgepodge was only to make you understand the concept of base angle, because base angle justifies the difference between perpendicular and the base. perpendicular किसको कंसीडर करना है, बेस किसको कंसीडर करना है। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you got my point? Which should be the base is the main motive here of base angle. Done? Now see, अब बेस एंगल के इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद कुछ एक दो चीजें देख लेते हैं। पहले देखो, सपोज ये मैंने आपको ट्राइंगल दे दिया ABC और आपसे बोला साइन ए, हाँ बिफोर दैट बेटा, बिफोर दैट अब क्या था? पहले तो क्या लिखे? टी रेशो, फिर उसके बाद लगाए एंगल। अब देखो मैंने मान लो ये लिखना है कोसिकेंट ए, बहुत बड़ा लिखना पड़ गया, बोरिंग हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है? इट कंज्यूम्स टाइम ऑल्सो, स्पेस ऑल्सो, कंज्यूम्स इंक ऑल्सो, मैनी थिंग्स आर कंज्यूम्ड इन एक्सेस। दैट्स व्हाई अगेन मैथमेटिशियंस यूज देयर स्मार्टनेस, उन्होंने क्या बोला भाई? ऐसा नहीं करेंगे, क्या करेंगे? इसको एबरविएट करो, एबरविएट। Do you know what is abbreviation? Abbreviation means बेटा, like मेरा नाम है राजीव मिंडा, अगर मैं बोल दूं आई एम RM सर, देखो आपका जैसे एक तो मैं ये लिखूं राजीव मिंडा सर, और एक मैं लिख दूं RM सर, तो ये जो भी होता है इसको बोलते हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज शॉर्ट फॉर्म. यस और नो? आया समझ में? जैसे कोई मूवी का नाम है, आजकल मूवीज का बड़ा, जब हम पढ़ते थे ना छोटे थे तो उस टाइम मूवीज के नाम बड़े बड़े होते थे, तो हम छोटे 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 उसमें नाम में डाल देते थे, है ना? जैसे कभी खुशी कभी गम, K3G, K3G, कभी खुशी कभी गम. दिस इज कॉल्ड एब्रिविएशन. आर यू गेटिंग? DDLJ, दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, इस तरह से. तो वो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? शॉर्ट फॉर्म को एब्रिविएट करना. तो मैथमेटिशियंस ने बोला भाई इतना बड़ा बोरिंग काम हमसे नहीं होता, हम इनको एब्रिविएट करेंगे. एब्रिविएट कैसे करेंगे? देखो, अब एब्रिविएट ऐसे करेंगे मिस्टर. सी, फर्स्ट 3 लेटर्स यूज करेंगे. फर्स्ट 3 लेटर्स, फर्स्ट 3 लेटर्स को यूज करेंगे एब्रिविएशन में. लाइक साइन का बन गया साइन. ओके, खाली साइन तो कुछ है ही नहीं, साथ में एंगल तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा. खाली साइन तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. SIN भी कुछ नहीं होता, उसके साथ एंगल, बेस एंगल जरूरी है फॉर द जस्टिफिकेशन ऑफ बेस. ओके, नाउ कोस, कोसाइन था ना, देखो साइन कोसाइन, मैं लिख देता हूं आपके लिए यहां, देखो साइन, कोसाइन, टेंजेंट, कोटेंजेंट, सीकेंट, कोसीकेंट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 60 रेशोज आर देयर. ओके, देखो ये 60 रेशोज दिखाई दे रही है ना आपको, कैमरा में आ रही है. ओके, नाउ सी फर्स्ट 3 लेटर्स साइन. सी स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट 3 लेटर्स SIN, नॉट सिन. सिन मत बोला, सिन मतलब पाप. यू आर नॉट पापीज, यू आर प्रिंसियंस. ओके, साइन फर्स्ट रेशो. सेकंड सी बेटा, ओनली 3 लेटर्स. जोश में रहा करो, जोश में. कोस थीटा. डन. थर्ड TAN, 10, tan theta. Last year there was a student, I do not want to expose his name, but his pronunciation was like, he was also from Haryana, but his pronunciation was like sin, cos, tan, not tan, tan. Okay, COT, coat, he used a kut. Okay, 5 SEC, secant. But here is mistake. Base angle should be there na. Now see, problem create cosecant ne. The problem was created by cosecant. What? First 3 letters if we take cos, COS, contradiction हो जाएगा या तो, दोनों सेम है. Then mathematician decided to add one more letter, E, add E. But here what happened? The pronunciation is same, cos, cos. And the same student told me, sir इसको cos से नहीं बोल सकते थे, cos से. Are you getting my point? उसने बोला कि सर इसको cos से नहीं बोल सकते. अरे मां नहीं बोल सकते भाई. Pronunciation is cos and cos for same. That's why again contradiction. Add next letter, cosec. Now this is unique. Now this is unique out of these 5. Okay, that's why the abbreviations were given to the trigonometric relations as sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. We will use only these to write the derivation. Okay, once you take the screenshot, taken. Now see students, we will discuss 2-3 fundamentals and then we will go for the our syllabus criteria. See beta. Suppose here you have to find sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, secant A, cosecant A. Okay, here you have to find sin A, cos A, tan A, secant A, cosecant A. Okay, now see students, leave it. Suppose this is x, this is y, this is z. Now see students, when A is mentioned here, it means this is your base. This is your base, not your base of this triangle. Okay, we will use this side as base. Why? Because here A is mentioned and angle A is this one, therefore this side is base. Okay, पंडित जी को याद करो, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद जी बोल रहे हैं हर हर, हर हर बोले 1 2 3 4 5 6, आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले, साइन कोस टेन, पहली फर्स्ट 3 टी रेशोस आ जाएंगी, यस और नो। पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले, ठीक है जी। नाउ सी बेटा, साइन ए फर्स्ट टी रेशो P by H, what is P? P is Y. Why? Because this is base, automatically it will become P, perpendicular base and hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, this is fixed. Okay, now P by H, first T ratio is P by H, it will be Y by H, sorry Z, Y by Z. Okay, done. Cos B by H, cos is B by H, base by perpendicular, base is this one, sorry, base by hypotenuse, X by Z, X by Z. Tangent A, tangent, what is tangent? P by B, P by B, yes or no? P by B means perpendicular by base, Y by X. Cotangent A, cotangent A, cot, number 4, cot, B by P. B by P will be, what B by P will be? It will be X by Y. Yes or no? X by Y. Secant will be, secant. Number 5, H by B. H by B, Z by X. Okay. What about cosecant? Cosecant will be H by P, 60 ratio last. H by P, Z by Y. Okay, students? Done? You got my point? How we can find the T ratios when the triangle is given and the base angle is mentioned against the T ratio. Okay? Done. Once you take it screenshot. Done. Okay, I am writing here. Is it viewable in the, let me check it. Yes, this place is viewable. Sin C, cos C, tan C, cot C. Now see, now everyone students, please listen to me carefully. Here T ratio is mentioned with the base angle C. Yes or no? Then when base angle is C, this will be, here is C, this side will be base and this side will be perpendicular. Okay, now see, sin C will be P by H. First T ratio, P by H. And what is P? P is X in this case, X by Z. It will be Y by Z, base by hypotenuse. P by B, what it will be? X by Y. It will be Y by X. And secant and cosecant also be achieved. Okay, beta, this is the introduction for the trigonometric ratios, beta. How we can justify the base or perpendicular in a triangle and how we can, using the concept of base angle, find the trigonometric ratio. Done, students? Okay, take it screenshot. Now see beta, I would like to add one thing, that every T ratio has a fixed value. every t ratio has a fixed value at a fixed angle. Okay, you got my point? See students, suppose this is a right angle triangle. Okay, suppose this is angle 30 degree. Okay, and the sides are x, y, z. And if you want to sin 30 for this triangle, okay, what it will be? X by z, p by h, sorry, it will be x by z. Yes or no? Suppose you made another triangle ABC, a PQR, where the sides, this is angle is 30 degree, sides are A, B, C. Here you are finding sin 30, it will be perpendicular by base A by C. A by C. Whatever is the condition, measures of the sides of the triangle, this side are same now, this will also be same. Always remember, अगर A by C x by z के इक्वल नहीं है और ये एंगल 30 का बनाया हुआ है, तो इट मीन्स वो ट्राइंगल ही गलत बना है. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? बेटा अगर साइन 30 की वैल्यू कुछ आई है तो वो दूसरे ट्राइंगल के नहीं, इनफाइनाइट ट्राइंगल किसी में भी ट्राई करो, सभी में साइन 30 की वैल्यू फिक्स होगी, अदरवाइज वो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगा. आई बात समझ में? ठीक है, चलो अब हम आगे चले थोड़ा सा. देखो अब हमारा मेन मोटिव क्या है. मैंने अभी जस्ट आपकी एक्सरसाइज देखी, एक बच्चा है राहुल, उसने भेजी थी मुझे फोटो उसकी, तो उसमें क्या हुआ बेटे, उसको देखने के साथ मैंने फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज देखी, उसमें था ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज की फिक्स एंगल पे वैल्यू. तो हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना फर्स्ट लेक्चर फिर एंगल्स की वैल्यूज के लिए, टी रेशोज की वैल्यूज के लिए बनाया जाए. तो ये जो लेक्चर में हमारा है बेटा फर्स्ट, आई एम फिलिंग द इंक ऑल्सो, वो जो रहेगा ना लेक्चर, वो सिर्फ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो की फिक्स वैल्यू एंगल पर वैल्यूज के लिए ही रहेगा, ये जो लेक्चर है. सॉरी, अब हम अपना स्टार्ट करते हैं बेसिक ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज एट फिक्स्ड एंगल. सी बेटा, वैसे तो एंगल 0 to 360 बहुत सारे होते हैं, उससे भी ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, उसको फिर घुमा के भाई ले जाते हैं. लेकिन आपके सिलेबस में कितने एंगल्स है बेटा? देखो 0 डिग्री, 30, 45, 60 and 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles are there in your syllabus. These are known as standard angles. These are known as standard angles. इन एंगल्स पे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो की, कौन से ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो की वैल्यू क्या होगी, हम इस लेक्चर में वो स्टडी करेंगे. यू गॉट माय पॉइंट? So everyone be ready with your pen, notebook and book in your hand. Now we are going to start the topic, because introduction of the trigonometry I have given within these 20-30 minutes. Okay, now upcoming 20 minutes will be for the derivation of the values. Derivation of T ratios at standard angles. You can write these as at standard angles. This is going to be our motive for upcoming 20-30 minutes. So everyone be focused, pay attention. Your 101% attention is required here, and please everyone like the videos. Yesterday video was watched by near about 200 students, 250 students, near about 200-250 students, but like were only 20. You don't like me? Please like my videos, and give positive comments. Give positive comments, okay? And no one will fight in the comments. Once I made a video for the CBSE class 9, and 2-3 students were fighting in the comment section and using abusive language also. It is shameful, beta. You are princess, you have to maintain the decorum of the school also. Okay? all the world on the YouTube is watching. Also, in the sometime will start to watch your video of your school, and is the decorum. It's in your hand to maintain the decorum. Okay, so please like the videos, share the videos, and give positive comments only. Okay, don't fight there and don't use abusive language for anyone. Okay, please like also. Now see beta, first of all I am going to choose angle 45 degrees. See students, I am writing here angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. At all these we will find the values. First of all we are going to find for 45 degree. Why? Because easiest to little bit harder. Okay, now see 45, we have to find the sides at T ratios at 45. See students, suppose this is a triangle ABC. Here it is 90 degree. Now see, if you are taking here 45 degree, what it will be? 45, yes or no? Yes or no? Sum should be 180 na. This is 90, this is 45, it will automatically become 45. Done. Now see, suppose the measure of this length is x. It will be x also. It will be x also. Why? Anyone can explain? Please pause the video and try why. And I am giving you the reason why. Because this is an isosceles triangle. Angles are same. Therefore, sides will also be same. As angles are same, therefore, sides will also be same. Okay? Now see students, this is x, this is x. What it will be? Baba Pythagoras. You all have discussed Baba Pythagoras. You see, h square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Suna hai? Okay. Here, what it will be? AC square will be AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Okay, now see. AC square is equal to x square plus x square. A square is equal to 2x square. AC will be root of 2x square. AC will be 2 will keep the root, x will get outside. Why? Square will remove the square root. Okay, now this is equal to root 2x. Yes or no? Done beta. Now you have all the sides of the triangle. Now you have all the sides of the triangle when angle was 45 degree. Okay, now you can find all the T ratios. See everyone. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद भूलना नहीं है पंडित जी को. पंडित जी बड़े काम की चीज है. पंडित जी बड़े काम की चीज है. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले हो ना सोना चांदी तोले, तो आपके भी मार्क्स सोना चांदी की तरह तुलेंगे. अच्छे समझो इसको. साइन 45, साइन 45 पहला P बाई एच. व्हाट इज P? अरे यार दोनों ही 45 है, किसी को P मान लो किसी को भी मान लो, वैल्यू सेम ही है. P is equal to B is equal to x. Yes or no? H is equal to root 2x. Put the values. P by H. X by root 2x. X will cut x. This is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2. A cos 45. B by H. P by H done. B by H. B is also same. X by root 2x cancelled 1 by root 2. Tangent 45. Tangent 45. P by B. X by X 1. Sure? Cot 45. B by P. X by X 1. Okay. Then secant 45. H by B. What is H? Root 2x. And what is B? X. Both are x, no? It will be root 2. And then I am writing here cosecant 45. This is H by B. H by B. Sorry. H by P. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले लास्ट है ये 6th h by p, h is root 2x and p is x root 2. These are the values of t ratios at specific angles. 45 at 45. You got my point, beta? Everybody, this is the derivation, or you can say, and this is a question asked by RBSC many times. And what was the question? Evaluate cos 45 geometrically. Evaluate cos 45 geometrically. Evaluate cos 30, secant 45, secant 60, whatever is. Okay? You have understood it, beta? Whenever you are taking a right angle triangle, considering one angle as 45 degree, second angle will automatically become 45, and two angles are equal, therefore these two sides are also equal. Isosceles triangle banega. Then suppose this is x, it will be root 2x according to Baba Pythagoras. Okay, then Pandit ji ki help se sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, all the t ratios at 45 we obtained. Okay students, done. Once you take it screenshot, then I will go for next angle. Now students, we are going to find the angles at 60 degree. Okay, second we are going to find at 460 degree. See student, don't worry, these values I will tell you a trick also. I will tell you 2-3 tricks to memorize all these values, and within 1 hour, if you watch the tricks, if you watch the angles videos, and then you try to make that table within 1 hour, I promise you all values will be at your fingertips. Very easily you will be able to find the values. Now it's time to obtain t ratios at 60 degree, Okay, now see beta. In that case we assumed a right angle triangle which was isosceles. In this case, see beta, we are assuming an equilateral triangle ABC. Equilateral triangle ABC. Everyone pay attention. Suppose this is an equilateral triangle ABC. What is means? It means these angles are of 60 degree, yes or no? All angles are of 60 degree. Equilateral triangle case, ऐसा है, all the sides are equal, all the angles are of 60 degree equal. Now draw a perpendicular from A to D. Sorry. Draw a perpendicular from A to D. Okay, now see student what happens. And separate this. You will have a right angle triangle like this. This side is 60, this angle is 60 degree. This is 90, A, D. Okay, now what I am considering all the sides are as 2x. This is also 2x and this is also 2x. Why I consider 2x not x? Because in that case it will be x by 2. And with dealing with fractions, why do we make the calculations difficult? Okay, to keep the calculation simple, I am assuming this 2x. Now according to rule, what it will be? It will be x. Because perpendicular bisect the opposite side in case of right angle, equilateral triangle. Now see, this ADB triangle will be like this. This is 2x, this is x. Okay, now AD can be found out by Baba Pythagoras. Yes or no? Now see beta, how we can find AD? This time AB square, see, AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. This perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, AD square will be AB square minus BD square. Done. Now see, this is 2x whole square, this is x square. 4x square minus x square, yes or no? Done beta, AD square is 4x square minus x square. Therefore, AD square is, this implies that, 3x square, AD will be root of 3x square. Root will be maintained by 3 and x square will be removed, the square will remove the root from x. Therefore, AD we will get root 3x. AD we will get root 3x. Now see students, this is a right angle triangle where one angle is of 60 degree. We know all the sides. We know all the sides. Yes or no? Done. Now everybody do one thing. What to do? Take it screenshot once. I am roughing this portion because not too much space is there. Now we'll find all the T ratios and with the help of Pandit Ji, Pandit Badri Prasad, हर हर बोले और सोना चांदी तोले. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले, सोना चांदी तोले. Now see, sin 60. What it will be? Pandit Ji, P by H. P by H. What is P here? 60 here, it will be base. It will be perpendicular, yes or no? Done students. Now see, P is this. By H is this one. Cancelled. Root 3 by 2. Done. Now see beta, cos 60. B by H. B by H, yes or no? Base by hypotenuse. Base is x, hypotenuse is 2x, cancelled 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Tangent 60. पंडित जी बोलते ही P by B बोल दिया करो साथ में. आप भी मेरे साथ साथ बोलने की कोशिश करो. घर वाले ये नहीं सोचेंगे आप पागल हो गए, आप वो घर वाले सोचेंगे आप सीख रहे हो सर की बातें. सीखो अच्छे से इनको. P by B. P क्या है भाई? B क्या है? root 3x by x. Cancel root 3. Done. Cot 60. B by P. B क्या? B. Base x. Root 3x. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Okay. Secant 60. Secant 60. What is secant 60? H by B. H by B. H by B means this is H, this is B. Base 2x by x. Cancel. That is 2. Okay. Cosecant 60. Is it viewable in the screen? Let me check. Yes, it is viewable. Cosecant 60. H by P. What is H? 2x. What is P? Root 3. 2x by root 3x. 2 by root 3. Okay? These are the values of all the T ratios at 60 degree. See students, how we obtained the values here? We made an equilateral triangle. All the angles were 60, 60, 60. We assumed the side as 2x, 2x, 2x. Then we drew a perpendicular AD to the BC. The perpendicular will bisect the BC, yes or no? BC को bisect कर दिया, BD आ गया x. Okay, now see. ये perpendicular, ये base, ये hypotenuse. x आया नहीं आया. Okay, now see बेटा. ये side है आपके पास, ये side है. No, you have hypotenuse and this side. You can find this side by Papa Pythagoras. You have taken that screenshot. Okay, using that Baba Pythagoras theorem, we found P is root 3x. Now in this triangle, all the sides are known. Angle is 60 degree, which was our motive to find the values of T ratios at 60 degree, and what we did, we found the values. Okay, sin 60, cos 60, tangent 60, and then use the Pandit Badri Prasad. भाई पंडित बद्री प्रसाद को नो मत भूलना, पंडित जी को जो भूल गया वो दुष्ट हो जाएगा, पापी बन जाएगा. टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. Done. Now students, we are going to find the values of T ratios at 30 degree. At 30 degree. And one more thing, I have got the message that the video is becoming so much longer. Okay, last. In next video, we will start the exercise, and at 0 and 90, we will find the values. Okay, don't worry. This is all for this video, no? Because near about 1 hour video daily is not possible for the students to watch. Okay, now everyone see beta. Again make an equilateral triangle A, B, C. Sides are 2x, 2x, 2x. Okay, same funda. 2x, 2x and 2x. Okay, angles are 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. Yes or no? Done beta. Again draw the perpendicular. 90. Again take it outside. Everyone see what is happening. Same criteria for 30 I am using here. A, D, B is obtained. This angle is 60 degree. This is 90. What it will be? 30 automatically, yes or no? Now rough this, because we don't need this. Okay. Now see beta, you have this side as 2x. Perpendicular bisected BD became x. And Baba Pythagoras will tell us this is root 3x. Yes or no? Same criteria for the 30 degree I use, 60 degree I use, I am using for 30 degree. But according to angle sum property of triangles, 60, 90, 150, it should be 30 to make the sum 180. Now see, find all the T ratios with the help of Pandit ji. भाई पंडित जी को जो भूल गया वो दुष्ट हो जाएगा, पंडित जी को नहीं भूलना किसी ने. Now see, sin 30. Sin 30, first T ratio. Sin 30, what does it mean? P by H. अब आया ना ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे. अब बताओ इसमें P क्या है? Now tell me, pause the video and tell me. Sorry, pause the video and try to rewind in your mind. This angle we are considering with the T ratio. This is base angle. It will be base, side opposite will be treated as perpendicular. It will be treated as perpendicular. It will be base, and hypotenuse is as always not required to justify. Okay, in this case this is P. Okay, this is B. आप फिगर को देख के मत सोचना ये है या ये है, वो चीनी वाला केस हो जाएगा 3/5, 4/5. Okay, now see, P by H पंडित जी के अकॉर्डिंग P है x अब की बार, x by 2x. Sorry, x will cancel x, 1/2. Cos 30, B by H. Yes or no? B by H. बेस क्या है? बेस root 3x by 2x. root 3/2. Tangent 30, P by B. Yes or no? 30 के केस में P ये तो है ना, x by root 3x. Cancelled 1/√3. Cot 30, B by P. B by P, base is this one, root 3x by x. Okay, then secant 30, h by b. What is h? 2x. What is b? This is b. Okay, angle, where angle is mentioned, side will be considered as base. 2/√3. Okay, done. Now cosecant 30. H by P. H by P. What is H by P? Students, H2x, Px. These are the values of all the T ratios at 30 degree. Once you take it screenshot, taken. Now see students, once you all please cooperate with me and try to understand all the concepts very easily beta in a productive manner. Productive manner means आप मेरे lectures देख भी रहे हैं और time to time देखो regularly, है ना? On Saturday I called a student only to check. Oh, I called a student. Where are you? Dash. I am not taking his name or her name. Where are you? Sir, I am playing. You are playing. The class of mathematics is going on and you are playing. Sir, in the evening I will watch the video. No, beta. Try to make a proper schedule. Try to, at least for mathematics, if you are regular at 10 a.m. within 1 week. See beta, this is our first conversation. This is my first conversation with RBSE students. Very frankly, within 1 week, I will show you what is called sea change. SEACHANG. sea change बहुत बड़ा बदलाव, वो आपको देखने को मिलेगा. आई गारंटी. ये फर्स्ट चैप्टर आज से स्टार्ट किया है मैंने. मंडे से सैटरडे को जो आपको लेक्चर मिला वो मिसलेनियस का था, पॉलिनोमियल्स कुछ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई, मैंने एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशंस वाले वीडियो आपको दिए. लीव दैट वन बेटा. टिल दैट full stop. This is the new beginning. Everyone be ready at 10 a.m. daily. I will give you the video. You watch the video. Okay. Whatever is the doubt, you just text me personally. You can text me personally. No, not to wait for the doubt session. Doubt session 4:30, 4. Don't wait. Anytime you can send the doubt. See beta, I used to watch all the previous messages of WhatsApp in the evening, because whole day till now, very frankly, this is 7:10 and I am still shooting for you, and after that I will go to home after having some rest. At 8 or 8:30 I started to watch the doubts beta, and then I do solve and send to all the students. So everybody please, no need to worry about anything. Just have a bond with me, try to make a bond with me and try to collaborate and cooperate with me. Definitely you will get a change. Okay beta, it's all for you for today's lecture. In the next lecture we will discuss the remaining 2 angles and we will start the exercise. Oh no. Before starting the exercise I will tell you the trick to memorize those values. 3 tricks. 2 वैसे ट्रिक तो एक ही जरूरी, एक ही बहुत होती है, लेकिन मैं आपको 2 बता दूं, जो आपको 3 बता दूं तो 3 बता दूं, जो आपको अच्छी लगे वो कर लेना. Okay बेटा. Now see, this is a humble request to you all RBSE students. Please yaar, like my videos and share with good people or the needed people, and please give positive comments also. Okay beta. If there is any one student texted that sir your sound is, see beta, this is a new setup and we are working over it. If you can observe, in the last video the board was changed and here today the board is new. Okay, same slowly improvisation is going on, and definitely slowly we will set up, you will get good quality videos. Don't worry. Okay, if still any problem you can text me personally. Okay, have a nice day beta. Good luck. Jai Hind.